Aeronautics Limited has filed an FIR against Hyderabad-based TEC Aero Devices over an alleged fraud involving the Tejas Mk-1A fighter jet program. The company is accused of submitting 199 forged test reports for spare parts supplied to HAL. According to the complaint filed by HAL Deputy General Manager Ranu Gupta, TEC Aero Devices received 18 purchase orders from HAL beginning in March 2022 for components related to the LCA Mk-1A project. After submitting samples and the required supporting documents, the company was approved to manufacture and supply various aircraft parts. As part of the supply process, TEC Aero Devices was required to provide original test reports certifying the quality and safety for the parts. However, when HAL's Quality Control Department sought verification of these reports, the company failed to produce the original documents. Later, company representatives admitted that at least 2 reports submitted in the name of Axis Inspection Solutions were incorrect. This prompted HAL to conduct an audit at Axis Inspection Solutions in Hyderabad in November 2023. The audit reportedly revealed that none of the 199 test reports submitted by TEC Aero Devices had actually been issued by Axis Inspection Solutions. The inspection agency further informed HAL that its name and signatures had been misused to create forged documents. Following the findings, HAL concluded that all 199 test reports submitted between February to September 2023 were fake. The company was subsequently blacklisted and barred from doing business with HAL for 3 years until March 2027. HAL also clarified that no payments had been made to TEC Aero Devices for the affected supplies. After issuing a show cause notice and reviewing the company's response, HAL removed TEC Aero Devices from its approved supplier list. Following internal deliberations, HAL decided to pursue legal action, leading to the registration of an FIR. The complaint seeks criminal action against the company for allegedly submitting forged test reports in connection with a critical defense project. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.